Is the internet fast?
No, it's not. It's slow. Are the results on the screen?
Yes, they are. Look.
Dorm lottery. Housing assignments. Student 1, Nicholas Rocha. Building, Olympic Hall. Student 2, Sylvia Jones. Building, Olympic Hall.
Are we in the same building?
Yes, we are. We're in the Olympic Hall.
Is that the new building?
Yes, it is.
Yes or no questions. Is the internet fast?
No, it's not. It's slow.
Are the results on the screen?
Yes, they are.
Are we in the same building?
Yes, we are.
Is this the new building?
Yes, it is.
Are you nervous?
No, I'm not.
Really?
Okay, I'm a little
Oh,
nervous.
don't worry, honey. You will make no friends there.
Are you hungry?
Yes, we are.
The word you can refer to one person or more.
Are you nervous?
No, I'm not. Yes, I'm a little nervous.
Are you hungry?
Yes, we are.
Is this the right way?
Yes, it is.
Where's our luggage?
It's over there.
Are there palm trees everywhere?
Yes, there are.
Is the university far from here?
No, it isn't. We are almost there.
Is this the campus?
Yes, it is. It's beautiful.
Who's that man?
I don't know. I think he's a student guide.
Hello, are you Sylvia and Nicholas?
Yes, we are.
Are you a student guide?
Yes, I am. I'm Leo. This is the Powell Library.
Is it open 24 hours?
No, it isn't.
It's open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Wow, it's so big.
Hey, Leo. Is your sister here at the campus?
No, she's not. She is downtown. I'll ask her to go to your office later.
And is your brother on the campus?
Yes, he is. He is in the cafeteria.
Are they first-year students?
Yes, they are.
Oh, hi, I'm Sylvia.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. Oh, and this is my boyfriend, Nicholas.
Hi, it's nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Are you a professor here?
Yes, I am. I teach in the marketing college.
That's where I'm going to study.
Oh, that's great. I love meeting new students before the classes start. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, no problem.
Okay, I understand. I'm on my way. I'm sorry. I need to go. See you next week in class.
Okay, see you then.
It's been a pleasure. Keep exploring.
Oh, thank you, brother. I will.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. Leo, is she your professor?
No, but she was last year. Now she teaches my brother and sister.
What are her classes like?
Great. She was my favorite one last year.
What is that?
That is the Bruin Bear. It is our mascot. Ooh!
Is it famous?
Yes, it is very famous.
Let's go to the cafeteria. You can eat all your meals here.
Is the food good?
Yes, it is. It's delicious.
Is cash accepted?
No, it isn't. You need to use your student card.
Your dorms are in that building. Let's go inside it.
Is the gym in this building?
Yes, it is. It's over there. Sylvia, your room is number 401, and Nicholas, your room is number 402.
Oh, honey, we are neighbors.
Yeah, babe. We are very lucky.
Bye, guys. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks. You too.
Hi, honey.
Are you already in your dorm?
Yes, I am. I'm in a dorm on the 4th floor.
And what is college like?
Oh, it's great. The college campus is very beautiful and very organized.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad. I'm already at UCLA in my dorm.
Cool. Is the dorm big?
Yes, it is. It has 3 beds. So I think I will have 2 roommates.
And what is college like?
It's pretty good. But the best part is the location of my dorm.
What do you mean? Where is it?
It's across from Sylvia's dorm.
That's great. You can see her very easily.
Do you have classes this week?
No, we don't. Our classes start only next week. Hey, do you want to go to the beach?
Yeah, let's go.
Are you happy now?
Yes, I'm very happy. You and this view are beautiful.
This night is so beautiful.
Not as beautiful as you.
Oh, hold me close.
Always.